Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Flutter SDK and Android Studio with the Flutter and Dart plugins. Once done, set the Android SDK path inside Studio and install Android SDK 30 or newer for compatibility. Create an emulator or connect a device now so you can test instantly. Run Flutter Doctor and follow its guidance to resolve missing components. This avoids wasted time later and ensures your environment is ready to. You create a new Flutter project in Android Studio and pick a descriptive package name. Next, choose Kotlin or Java for the Android host and Swift or Objective-C for iOS if prompted. Open lib/main. Dart and replace the starter widget with a clear material app and scaffold so your UI has structure. Make incremental edits and use hot reload frequently to see UI changes immediately. Once the app builds, hot reload lets you iterate quickly without full reinstall cycles. You run the app on your emulator or device using Run in Android Studio or Flutter. Run in the terminal and watch the logs for errors. Use DevTools and the Widget Inspector to debug UI issues and check performance. These tools show why builds behave a certain way. If a build fails, first read the error, then run Flutter clean, pubget, and rebuild. Make sure your SDK paths match and Gradle is updated. This single troubleshooting step resolves most build problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.